This low-carb ground beef and cabbage soup is packed with flavor, and I'm going to show you how to make it using these few ingredients. Let's get it. First, we're going to start off by dicing up our onion. I like to make a few vertical cuts like so, followed by a couple of horizontal cuts. Then begin dicing our onion. For the celery, I'm just going to give them a nice chop. Next, I'm going to add some olive oil to my pot. Next, we are going to add the onions and celery to a pot and let them saute for a few minutes. Then we're going to add in our ground beef. I'm using 93.7, and we're going to cook the meat until it browns. Okay, to get the flavors kicked off, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We're also going to add in 2 15-ounce cans of roasted garlic diced tomatoes. Let's welcome to the party some Worcestershire sauce. Amp up the flavor with some onion powder, followed by some garlic powder. For a smoky taste, we're going to add some smoked paprika. Then we're going to add some dried thyme and bay leaves, followed by some black pepper and a pinch of salt. Then we're going to add in 4 cups of beef broth. I must admit, guys, I love putting this cauliflower rice into my soup, but you can omit it if you like. Okay, now we're going to let it come to a boil before we add in our cabbage. After it comes to a boil, we're going to start adding in our cabbage. After the cabbage is in, we're going to cover it and let it cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. As always, it is time for the taste test. I already know it's going to be slapping. Oh yes, the flavors are on point. And like I said, this is a low-carb meal. If you're looking to drop some pounds, this will definitely help. Also, if you like the video, consider watching these videos. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.